Dude, when I first read your name, I thought it said cheesy cunt.
Close enough.
Just a couple letters and you're good.
Either way, it's sexy, right?